All right, it's time for our next YouTube video today. Let's just grab a car off the shelf real quick. How about that one? We can fix this. We can grab tools, get a wrench. You pulled the pistons out of the car. My baby, no! What the? This video cost us 7 Model Ts. We'll just gently pull this out. What's this? It's leaking water.
I don't think it's water.
Give me a torch. Since the tank video, some individuals have been wanting a cheaper budget video. They say our videos are too high production value. So as of right now, I am proud to say that we have decreased the budget for this video to $3, single-handedly.
You also single-handedly bankrupted our company. The tank video cost $500,000 to film.